Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dagny. Today we are doing Look Fantastic. I'm so freaking excited. Like always, I love my subscription boxes so much. If you don't know what Look Fantastic is a beauty subscription, a little more heavy on the skincare. It's from the UK and well, I signed up for the year and I pay, I think it's like $20, but I think it's like $22 if you do it monthly. I'll leave the link down below for you for sure, so if you would like to check it out. My May box. That one went missing. It got to the shippers and then didn't go anywhere else. So I got a refund on that one. So that's why there was no May video up for Look Fantastic. Super glad I got the June one. I'm really sad about this stuff that I really wanted some of that stuff that was in the May box, so that sucked. But I'm excited. I got the June box, so that's good. I hadn't even literally taken it out of the shipping box yet. My goodness. Ignore the hair today. I keep looking at it and I'm just like, oh my god. I just did not want to cooperate, okay? Just one of those days, so we're just gonna go with it. Alright, but I love this month's box. So freaking pretty. Check this out. This is the month's box. Sometimes it comes like design, sometimes it's just like plain color, but I really like the design on this box this month. All right, but yeah, let's get into it. Okay, when we open it, there's always a cute little quote. It says, "Be kind to the planet and it'll be kind to you." I absolutely agree. I recycle everything. I try not to use a lot of water. I try and shower quick. You know, I do those things for the planet because I really care. So yeah, that's actually perfect. These boxes, I'm pretty sure, are all made out of recycled product. What does it say? Oh, board from responsible sources. So something along those lines. So I love that, but I do any boxes that I don't want to keep for my little stash. I do recycle everything. Anyway, let's move on. This is what it looks like when we open it. We got a cute little pamphlet magazine thing. Tells us about the products. Sometimes tells us about the prices. Not that I'm really worried about that. Oh, and it does tell us about a spoiler for next month. TikTok trending rice water rinses. What in God's name is that? This is an article in the book here. Okay, anyway. Oh, okay. Oh, that is so sweet. Okay, if you don't want to see the spoiler for next month, look away or skip. But this is it. It is the LMS Superfood Glow Priming Moisturizer. I love LMS products, so that is super freaking exciting. Okay, so now let's get into the box items itself. Excuse me while I scratch my face. I'm itchy. Ugh, makeup has been doing that to me lately. All right. Open, open, open. All right, first thing we have on top. Ooh. I don't know if I'll be able to use it. My skin does not like these type of things. But it is a gentle, it says gentle facial buffer. What do I have? I use the little Foreo things and I have the PMD brush. What else have I tried? I thought there was one more, but maybe that's it. Oh, there was a buffer thing I got in another box. But anyway, every time I use it, my face breaks out. So I don't know if I'll be able to use this, but that is still really freaking cool. It says completely recyclable packaging. Oh, 100 of these bought equals trees from Tree Nation. A face of responsible beauty. Oh, I love that. I really do. I've been on a rant about that lately. Saving my products, not using, opening and wasting things, and then talking about recycling products, and I hate styrofoam. If you didn't see my FabFitFun box unboxing, we were talking about that too. I hate styrofoam. Papers like these little things, these can be recycled. This is good. Styrofoam, not so much. Anyway, this is cute. Super excited to have this. I will definitely try it. It says it's gentle. I might be able to use it. I guess we'll see. Okay, next product. Hold on. Next product we see is the Ritual of Jing, your path to inner peace. Relax mild body scrub, sacred lotus and jujube. Huh. I love a good body scrub, so that's really exciting. Never heard of this brand, but I'm definitely excited to try it out. Oh. Escape the hectic pace of everyday life through deep relaxation and restful sleep. Just a mild body scrub. That's really exciting. It's made in Europe. Next product was open. Hopefully it's got a seal on it. Oh no, a little bit leaked out. That's okay. It's from Balance Me Pre and Probiotic Cleansing Milk. Pre and Probiotic? Reveal calmer and clearer and brighter skin with our signature bioactive pre and probiotic complex. Designed to strengthen the skin's delicate microbiome protective barrier. Huh. Well, we see this brand a lot, and I actually do enjoy their products. I've used a few of them now. I've actually used them and not stuffed them in my stash too. So that's exciting. I want to know though, it says pre and probiotic. I don't understand what the pre part means. Oh, okay, so it's just a cleanser designed to strengthen the skin's delicate microbiome barrier. It just says it removes all traces of pollution, SPF, and even eye makeup for complexion that is left calmer. That's really cool. Oh, as for the prices, of course they're not in here, but that's okay. I don't need to see the prices. That's not a big deal to me. But that's an exciting product to try. I like a gentle cleanser for my face. I really do. All right, next product. We've got 3 left. Ooh, I have heard of this brand. Didn't I try a shampoo and conditioner from this brand? Possibly. I know I've seen it in this box before. It is the Philip Kingsley Styling Finish Touch Polishing Serum. I'm assuming that's for your hair, but I know I have had products of this before. Oh yeah, a frizz fighting serum to condition, protect, and help style the hair, packaged in bioplastic bottle made from sugarcane, 100% recyclable and manufactured in a sustainable, ethical way. Well, that's exciting because like I get really frizzy hair. It drives me crazy. Oh my gosh, you should see this thing when I brush it out. It's so bad. Anyway, it just says to put on towel dried hair and then style as usual. So that's really exciting. Another great product that I'm excited to try. What do we got next here? We've got Dr. Lip Tint. 100% natural superfood red radish pigment? What? I have never heard of that before. A hydrating tinted lip balm that glides over your lips to deliver moisture as well as a pop of color with 100% natural ingredients for a softer pout. Ooh, I gotta try it. That sounds so very interesting. Just take off what I got on now. Okay, that's off. Ooh, it is reddish. Oh, that does feel really, really nice. I'm trying to get more out. Slowly, I don't want to waste it. Yeah. It's not sticky. And give me a nice color, like a light pinkish red. Almost just looks really pink, but either way, I really, really, really like that. Okay, last product, but it is, oh, Espa. We were supposed to get this in the last month's box, I believe. Yeah, I believe it was supposed to be the last month's box. I think I got an email about it, whether I didn't even get the last month's box. Anyway, but it was supposed to be in the last month's box and they could not get it shipped in soon enough or something. I'm not quite sure what the email said now. That was like forever ago. So they decided to put it in this month's box instead, and I really like Espa. Espa is a really good brand, and this one is just a 24-hour replenishing eye moisturizer. Natural beauty inner calm, nourishing eye cream to hydrate and soften. So that's really exciting. I have so many eye creams, but oh my goodness, do I ever love trying a new one, because I get like crazy dark circles, and I've got lines and everything underneath there. So I always love trying out a new hair cream or eye cream. Sorry, I got a little distracted by my lip stuff falling over there. But yeah, what do we think of this month's box? Like I said though, it is really heavy on skincare, and like, because we only got like one kind of makeup-ishy product, but it's still kind of skincare because it's lip care. So, and then we got eye serum, we got hair care, gentle cleanser, body scrub, yeah, and then the face buffer. So I love it. Some people don't like that it's mostly skincare, but I do love some good skincare, so I'm excited to have it. Let me know what you guys think about this month's box. Have you tried Look Fantastic? Yeah, but yeah, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a fantastic evening. Bye.